Welcome to Mathenge Technical. My name is Erid Bogwa Ihomba from the Automotive Department. And today the activity we have here is what we call car diagnostic.
So diagnostics is basically checking the car on the faulty codes that are there. Since the car runs with a computerized system that runs from the ECU, so the machine reads the codes from the ECU and it is able to interpret it and give it in raw data that is readable to the user or the other person in the receiving end, so that they are able to detect where fault in the system is. For instance, you will see a check engine light at the dashboard and you're not able to interpret or maybe know where the fault is. You'll use the machine so that you can be able to now decode the codes that are in the ECU, and you're able to tell where the codes are. Maybe it's a sensor in maybe one of the systems that is in the car, and you're able to fix it, and the car will be running normally. That is why we're here introducing the students at Mathenge Technical on the usage of this incredible machine that is very impactful in the market. It is mostly used in the market for pre-purchase analysis, and also in the garage as well, for you to be able to know where the faults in the car are. And you are also able to fix cars without dismantling the whole car, simply because you're able to locate where the problem is by just going through the system and scanning where the codes might be faulty.
Nowadays our vehicles have been computerized. Nowadays we don't troubleshoot just by sounds or by reasoning the car or by just going to road tests. Before we open that engine, before we dismantle the engine, we need to know our source of errors. We need to know the cause of that problem. And it is always advisable that we use a diagnostic machine to detect the error first, so that we can go to a specific place. Because today, nowadays, when we used to do that troubleshooting earlier, you would find someone dismantling a whole engine just because of one sensor. But today, we can diagnose and detect the sensor that has an error, and then we go direct to that sensor and save time, and also save the cost of servicing our engine and our vehicle. So generally, what we are doing today, we are involving our students in what we call hands-on. They are doing it practically. As you can see, the cars, they are doing it today. And I would also like to invite all of you, come to Mathenge, join us as we continue running, and join us as also we continue in doing these practicals. Karibu sana Mathenge.